Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the work of psychologist Albert Ellis, the founder of rational emotive behavior therapy. Ellis believed that events don't upset us as much as the beliefs we carry about them. He listed some common irrational beliefs that quietly create stress, fear, and even anger. Let's walk through each one, see how it shows up in everyday life. Number 1. Everyone must like me. Think about how often we check likes or replay a conversation in our head. Ellis said, craving universal approval is a trap. People have different tastes and moods. Others thought, it's nice to be liked, but my value doesn't depend on it. Number 2. I must be perfect. Maybe you freeze before posting a project because it's not ready. Perfectionism sounds noble, but keeps us anxious and stuck. Healthier belief, I aim to do well, but mistakes are part of learning. Number 3. Life must always be fair. From traffic jams to job rejections, life isn't a balanced scale. Accepting that truth frees us to act instead of complain. Try, I prefer fairness, but I can handle life even when it's uneven. Number 4. Things must go my way. Plans fail, flights delay, friends cancel. When we treat setbacks as disasters, stress spikes. Reframe. I want things to work out, but I can adjust and still be okay. Number 5. I can't stand discomfort. Ever said, I just can't take this? Yet you have taken tough exams, long nights, or heartbreak? Challenges are tough, but I'm stronger than I feel in the moment. Number 6. The past controls my future. Maybe you think, I've always been shy, so I never speak up. Ellis reminded us the past influences us, but doesn't own us. I can make choices today that rewrite tomorrow. Number 7. Others must change for me to be happy. Waiting for a partner, boss, or parent to change keeps you stuck. I can't control them, but I can control my actions and reactions. That's a better view. Number 8. There is a perfect solution, and I must find it. Decision paralysis. Scrolling endless reviews before buying anything. Often, there isn't a flawless choice. A balanced belief, I pick the best option I can and learn from it. Number 9. I must stay on guard for danger. Constant worry feels like protection, but only exhausts you. Try, I stay aware of real risks, but I don't need to live in fear. Number 10. I must control everything. Weather, other people, a calmer approach. I focus on what I can guide and accept what I can't. Ellis never said that life's painful events aren't real. Loss, illness, injustice, they can be hard. What he pointed out is that while we can't always stop those events, we can change the extra suffering we create when we hold on to unhelpful beliefs about them. So, notice them, question them, and replace them. Thanks for spending time with me. If this helps you breathe a little easier, please subscribe for more.